Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be drawing a bent arm from studied from three different placements. So we will start with, I'll grab myself a red pencil there. So that'll be the shoulder joint. 2, 3. So what we're basically doing is extending the arm and going like this. So this elbow, come back up and just put that there. And then we have number 2, which is probably a very easy one. And then we have number 3. And I am placing this, I'm coming back in a little bit and going like this and like that. That is the elbow. So to best illustrate this, we will grab ourselves a thicker pen, and I am actually putting down the hand there. There's the thumb, let's say, and we have our fingers, because from this particular angle, this is how it will most likely appear. I'm going around the elbow, and as you see that the rest of it is at the back, behind the forearm. So that is like a kind of like a fist fighter's pose. We have done it in another video. We've used the stance of the arm from this angle in another video, I'm pretty sure, but we are highlighting the placement and the angle right here. So of course, how bulky it is, how thin it is, it all depends on the particular person or the purpose we are trying to model this on or base this on. Here's placement number 2. Fairly consistent with number 1, except there's a little mess up there, but that's fine. The hand is not out of focus. The placement and the angle is, and right here was the easiest one of the 3, and that is sort of like a running pose. And so this, it's kind of like coming down. So the composition of the delt, the muscle structure will all change. And this one here, okay, so I'm doing the same thing with what I did for the others there. So I'm putting the hand first. It is in the foreground in any case. There's some foreshortening, a bit of foreshortening there as well. And then I'm coming down, allowing the elbow to rest in that position. And this one is, of course, so the hand is pulled outward, thereby making for a composition of the muscle structure, the neighboring muscle structure, somewhere along these lines. That's of course part of the chest there, and there we have it. So 3 different placements of the arm, bent angles. Please let us have your comments and recommendations. We would love to hear from you. Also, please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.